This video takes the idea of showmanship to the next level. So, watch along and let's get blown away by their amazing driving skills. They truly are expert bikers, and in a minute you'll definitely be convinced. Gaining speed before the liftoff. It almost seems like she is defying gravity. Let's just say she definitely has a stun. All good things come in two, so let's watch the show as it progresses. This trick requires quite a bit of planning and control over their bikes. And it seems that they have perfectly mastered those skills. They make it look so easy, but we're betting it's anything but. A first row seat to their amazing show would be the dream. This might just be what living on the edge looks like. An artful performance that we would definitely applaud.